A parallelogram has parallel lines, okay? So if you look at this as a transversal, like we learned in one of those chapters at the very beginning, then this angle here and this angle here would be alternate interior angles, okay? So those two angles are equal to each other, okay? And if these, let me change color, if these lines are parallel, then this angle here and this angle here are also alternate interior angles. And we also know that these two angles are equal because in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal, okay? So what that rule says is that when you have a diagonal in a parallelogram, it creates two congruent triangles. And it looks like they're at least similar because the yellow is equal to the yellow, the green is equal to the green, and the red is equal to the red, right? But also we know that this side is equal to itself. We know that this side is equal to that side because opposite sides are equal. And we know that this side here is equal to this side here because opposite sides are equal. So it creates two equal triangles, okay? So when you see that and they give you parts, they give you different parts of the triangle and they ask you to solve it, you've got to use this rule because all the pictures today are going to have diagonals. Got it? Well, yesterday we learned that consecutive angles are supplementary. That means that this guy here plus this guy here add up to 180, right? Well, the x and the 79 make up this guy. So this guy plus this guy equals 180. So what you're going to put in your equation is x plus 79 plus 40 equals 180. So if you want to do it the algebra way, it would be x plus 119 equals 180. And then we're going to subtract 119 from both sides. And x equals 61. Let's go to do number 8. Oh, I did it wrong. So this is, golly, this is a 74, this is a 29, and this is a 77 plus 2x. So what's the equation we have to put in? Plus 29 plus 74 equals 180, because those two are consecutive angles. All right, so then we just start cleaning it up. So 180 plus 2x equals 180. Subtract 180, we get 2x equals 0, x equals 0. So if they just want x, you're done. That's all they want. The first thing I'm going to do is figure out where CEF is so I don't screw up. And I'm going to go from C to E to F. And they want this angle right here. We set up the equation as 117 plus 16x minus 2 plus 17x minus 1 equals 180. And we've got 114, because 17 minus 2 minus 1 is 114, plus 33x equals 180. And we subtract 114 to both sides. And we get that 33x equals 66, so x equals 2, right? And they want this angle here, so I plug it into 17x minus 1. 17 times 2 minus 1 equals 33 degrees.